Hey guys, in this video we'll show you how to cancel pending bill payments on Scotiabank. The first thing I want you to do is log into Scotiabank, come to the top, click on bill payments, okay? And then I want you to click on upcoming activities right here. And if we scroll down, you'll see right here all your upcoming activities, your pending bill payments. And if you want to cancel, you just click on this trash can icon, okay, next to that upcoming bill. And then you'll be asked to confirm if you would like to delete this bill payment. As you can see, this one had a frequency of just once. So you can tap here on confirm, like that. And then if you scroll down, you'll see you have successfully deleted your pending bill payment. You get a reference number as well, and you are basically done. It's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.